points lower on the Nifty, 25,535. So it's sideways, and it's about a 40-odd point cut. So 114 points lower on the Sensex. You've got mid-cap index down a quarter, small-cap index down about 0.25%. The Nifty Bank is down about 0.13. I mean, compared to the Nifty Bank, of course, has been much stronger. And it's not yet, for example, broken the 20-day moving average, whereas the Nifty is now at a very long-term support levels. It's actually broken some long-term support levels even. 25,550 on the Nifty is where we are at. So Nifty heat map gives you a sense of where things are landing at open. SBI, Kotak, Tata Motors passenger vehicle, and those are the names on the green side. Asian Paints, Shriram Finance, Apollo Hospitals are opening lower. It's more down than up, but it's more evenly balanced as opposed to what we had yesterday. So a little bit of recovery, but just, I mean, the first 1 minute, 25 points lower on the Nifty is what you have. I think keep an eye out on RIL, which is in the red, but I mean, the market needs that one to stop falling at least before it turns around, because big weight and big say in the index. Yesterday got to almost about 1,400, and a little bit of bounce, 10-15 rupee bounce from the day's low is what you had yesterday. Rima.
IT once again is under pressure. Wipro's the top loser. This is after losing 8% yesterday. Wipro's down another 1%. Along with that, you've got Tech Mahindra, Infosys, HCL Tech also opening up with mild cuts. ICICI Bank is seeing some follow-on selling pressure. Yesterday, 2.5% lower. Today, it's lost another 0.5%. Asian Paints is now coming up as the top Nifty loser, so that's down nearly 1%. Shriram Finance is weak in trade. Apollo Hospitals is starting the day with some cuts. Interglobe Aviation is correcting some of yesterday's 4% gain. Bajaj Finance weak in trade. But again, there is no Nifty stock with a loss more than 1%, barring something like an Asian Paints, which is also down just 1%. On the way up, it's SBI, Kotak Mahindra Bank, up and about. Hindalco, so a couple of metal stocks are having a good day. In fact, if you pull up the Nifty Metal Index, perhaps that's the one where we are still seeing some gains. The Nifty Metal Index has opened up with a gain of about 0.5%. Hindalco, JSW Steel, higher in trade. Tata Steel giving it company. On the automotive side, you've got an Eicher Motors, Tata Motors, passenger vehicles, M&M. So that's the other pocket of strength that's visible when you look at the frontline action. But again, the action is in the individual stocks.
Well, that's right. ABFRL stock down close to around 7%. That block that take place out there. You have AB Lifestyle as well. That's down close to around 1% or thereabouts. BHEL, that's down close to around 1.5%. It's rather large volumes out there. And Oberoi Realty, that stock is getting a bit of a slam dunk. That's one of the top losers in today's trading session. Hindustan Zinc, we'll talk to the management in a few minutes from now. Remember, in fact, that one came out with a set of numbers. The numbers look pretty okay, a little bit better than what the sheet was anticipating. But the good news is that Q4 will be even better because pricing is higher, so they'll get a better benefit out there. Dalmia Bharat, we have been highlighting this, that cement demand has been improving and some of those price increases are gradually getting absorbed. So explains why Dalmia Bharat as well is up close to around 2% and SAIL as well is up close to around 1%. Now, yes, there's been a big spike up in terms of steel prices, but the street is optimistic that there's more to go because still at current reckoning, prices are a little bit of a discount in comparison to the landed cost of imported steel. LTI Mindtree, that one's losing close to around 5%. Net, Nifty down, but not out. The Nifty Bank actually is doing a relative outperformance in the first few minutes. Prashant.
Absolutely. It's about 2:1 down, 2:1 in terms of declines to advances ratio. And the broader market, of course, has seen a fair bit of, it's taken a fair bit of beating, actually. Now, LTI Mindtree, I think we highlighted 5% lower, is the number 2 volume-led loser right now on the NSE. Shriram Finance is seeing a bit of a pullback. So one-way move. Before the deal, after the deal, I mean, you name it. 1.6 lower. It's got volumes in it. BHEL, we were just talking about that with Winnie, 1.5 odd lower. Oberoi Realty, we highlighted with numbers 5% down. Force Motor is down about 2%. 361, I think there was a downgrade from someone yesterday. 2.5 lower. 1140 or so on 361. Data Patterns is down about 2%. Sai Silk, that is Kalamandir, is down 6%. That's about 121 or so. Urban companies down about 1.7. Poonawalla, Sobha, Shakti Pumps. Shakti Pumps is now under 700. Oh boy, I mean, it's a one-way kind of a move, and now, of course, it's from high was $1,000. Actually, the recent low was about 550. So from the recent lows, it's still higher. From the highs, of course, it's lost a fair bit. I started with silver this morning, and look at what's happening once again. Silver B's 4%. We should have these at the bottom of the screen. All these silver ETFs, right? HDFC, SBI, everything up 4%, 5%. So populated really by what's happening on this one. Bharat Coking Coal, and Nigel has been telling us about this, 42, so 4% again. And it's actually, after Silver Bees, it's the number 2 volume-led gainer on the NSE. So huge volumes. It's I guess, it's also the, matter of the fact that it's a more biteable name, right, at 42 rupees. So perhaps that participation is there. GMDC is up 4%. And I think I can spot the Vedanta, which is up about 1.5% as well. So enough and more, which is going on right now.